Salat of birds or living things. So birds also salat, no? Birds.
Yeah. Birds pun solat.
Or any living things. This is from chapter 24.
An-Nur.
An-Nur, verse 41.
An-Nur 41.
41.
Surah An-Nur
41.
ayat 41.
Tahu.
Auzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alam taro anna Allaha yusabbihu lahu man fis samawati wal ardi wat tayru safat. Kullun qad alima salatahu wa tasbiha. Wallahu alimun bima taf'alun. Wallahu alimun bima yaf'alun. Do you not see that Allah is He who do glorify all those who are in heavens and the earth, and the very birds with expanded wings? He knows the prayer of each one and its glorification, and Allah is cognizant of what they do.
So he dengan they ni ada birds lah. He knows the prayer of each one. So Allah knows the prayer of the birds. Each one of the birds. And Allah is cognizant of what they do. And Allah knows what they do.
The birds fly around
the birds lah. Because before that, the word birds come kan, and the birds with expanded wings. Do you not see that Allah is He whom do glorify all those who are in the heaven and the earth, and the birds with expanded wings? He knows the prayer of each one and its glorification. So now, when the birds pray, that means the birds are doing the physical aspect of life according to what Allah asked them to do. According to intuition, their own intuition. Basically, it's built inside the bird punya brain. Intuition, because the bird does not have intelligence, and dia tak ada intelligence. In other words, the bird cannot weigh tau, which one is better, this one is better than that, this is dosa, this is pahala. The bird cannot do that. Animal cannot do that.
Dia tak ada akal.
Dia tak ada akal, dia tak boleh consider. So tapi dia ada intuition dia tahu exactly what to do. Kalau bila dia lahir je, dia ada intuition tu will teach dia automatically, teach the birds sendiri on its own.
Dia orang birds bila born dah terus tahu kan everything.
All built in.
Takkanlah banyak baby birds can fly.
Actually human being also like that. Tetapi
tak banyak.
Tetapi masalahnya, human being rely very heavily on the mind, on the thinking. The human being rely very heavily on the thinking. That means kan, kalau ada problem ni kan, human mesti nak fikir macam mana nak solve the problem. Dia tak adalah nak berdoa ke, nak fikir ya Allah please help me. Dia tak macam tu tau, dia terus fikir macam mana problem ni nak solve. So that means human being very heavily rely on the brain. So that's why dia tak ada connection dengan Allah. Not like the bird. The bird dia built in intuition kan. So it's always connection. So dia tahu apa dia nak buat. The next thing to do, nak fly ke, nak tangkap ikan ke.
Dia terus tahu.
Dia tahu. Dia follow intuition. Whereas kita manusia always follow our brain. Our thinking. How does the thinking work? The thinking is based on what you know. It's always based on what you know.
Apa yang kita dah tahu.
So the knowledge that you have around your finger tadi tu, the thinking is only based on that knowledge. You cannot think something that you do not know.
Oh, pasal.
Tak boleh. So, things that you do not know, you dapat dalam bentuk ilham. Understand tak? Ilham. Ilham comes from Allah. Ilham come from Allah. Thinking come from your own brain. Okay? So what I'm saying is, you must put your you must also rely very heavily,
On the brain.
not only on brain, tapi also on ilham. You must do that. Then only you get new knowledge. Kalau tidak, your knowledge will be within what you know je. So new knowledge you don't get because you rely on thinking, not on ilham. Ilham come from Allah. Thinking from your own brain. For example, if people want to study agama, religion Islam, they rely on thinking by going to ustaz. Dia baca buku, he read books. Books also is human being yang tulis.
Based on the human being.
So ustaz also human being juga. So that means they rely on human punya thoughts. Kalau dia rely on human punya thoughts, that means apa yang dia akan dapat is only those knowledge yang sikit tu lah yang. Tapi kalau you rely on ilham, you rely on God, you dapat new, always fresh ideas, ilham. For example, kalau the scientist dia banyak, kadang-kadang dia buat a lot of thinking kan, thinking tak dapat lah. Lepas tu suddenly dia duduk diam, tiba-tiba dia dapat the new idea. So what we say is we want to put our reliability also to God a lot. Jangan kita based on our own brain je. Kita tak realise kita banyak benda yang kita fikirkan dalam dunia ni is all based on what we think. So now we must expand our knowledge to also things that is beyond what we